you ever forgotten to drink water until you had a pounding headache, or kept eating even though you were already full? What if I told you this isn't just about habits? It's about a hidden sense called interoception. Interoception is a sense that helps us notice what's happening inside our bodies. Things like heartbeat, hunger, thirst, bladder signals, and even emotions. For many neurodivergent people, this sense works differently, and that difference can cause a lot of everyday struggles. Let me give you a few examples of what this might be. Not drinking water until dehydration sets in, eating past fullness because the stop signal never arrives, living on coffee all day but forgetting to actually drink water until you feel foggy, eating out of routine or boredom, not because of true hunger, or maybe even realizing you're hungry only when you feel shaky, irritable, or even nauseous. Any of this sound familiar? Well, let's talk about emotions in a body. And interoception doesn't just affect hunger or thirst, it absolutely affects emotions. Emotions live in the body. Think about it. A tight chest, a racing heart, gut tension. But if interoception is muted, those feelings might not register until they explode as confusion, shutdown, or meltdown. For many neurodivergent folks, the only clue is something feels wrong, but I can't name it. Well, let's talk about burnout and meltdowns. This plays a huge role in burnout. If you miss the early signals of stress, you keep pushing, thinking you're fine until suddenly you're not. That's when crashes and meltdowns happen. The body's warning system just wasn't loud enough. Why it happens? So, neurodivergent brains often filter sensory input differently. External signals like noise, lights, or people can drown out internal ones. On top of that, trauma or chronic stress can actually dull interoception awareness over time. But the good news is you can rebuild it. Interoception slowly, with practice, can come back or be present. Try pausing for body check-ins. Am I hungry, thirsty, tired, tense? Use mind-body practices like breath work, yoga, or gentle movement. Set reminders for meals, snacks, and hydration. And track patterns like noticing you always realize hunger when you're irritable. And use that data to teach your brain new cues. Most importantly, be kind with yourself. Awareness grows with practice, not perfection. Learning your body's language isn't weakness, it's self-care. And for neurodivergent people, especially understanding interoception can be the difference between constant burnout and actually thriving. So let me ask you, what's one body signal you tend to miss until it's too late? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences.